Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Bojan Vavan and today we're watching how to remove backgrounds from your photo. This will save you a ton of time to make a thumbnail for a YouTube video. Left click on layer, click on convert to smart object. Then in properties click on convert layers. Scroll down, click remove background, wait a few seconds, and voila, that's it. That's all for this video. It was a short one, but I hope it was useful for you. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and see ya in next one.